Hello everyone, another way of solving quadratic equations is by completing the squares. Since we are going to complete the square here, let's recall first what are perfect squares, okay, or perfect square trinomials. What are examples of perfect square trinomials? Okay, so these are examples of perfect square trinomials. We have x squared plus say 2x plus 1. Okay, this is a perfect square trinomial. Trinomial in the sense that it has three terms. Okay, one, two, three. Perfect because it can be expressed as x plus 1. Okay, times x plus 1 or simply x plus 1 squared. Okay, another perfect square trinomial is x squared plus 4x plus 4. This is equal to x plus 2 squared. Remember our factoring technique? Okay, this is 1, this is 2, and so this is 1 and this is 1. Here, the on top is 4, 1 times 4. Okay, the middle term is here, and this is 2, this is 2. I hope you remember this in our previous video. This is the product, this is the plus, this is the product of the factors, and this is the combination of factors. Okay, let's have another one. Say this is x. Okay, x squared plus 10x. So this is plus 25, which is equal to, okay, uh, splitting the middle technique. So we have 10 here, on top is 5. So this must be 5 and this is 5. So the factors are 5 and 5. So this is x plus 5 times x plus 5, or just simply x plus 5 squared. Okay. Notice also that these numbers here, the third term here, the 1, the 4, and the 25, okay, this can be written as just simply 1 squared. This one is 2 squared. This one is 5 squared. Okay, and you will get uh, some relationship between the middle term 2. Okay, they are in some way related to 1, 4, 2, then 10, 5. Okay, so you would notice that the third term, okay, is just one half. Okay, one half of the middle term, one half of the coefficient of the middle term, and then you just square it. Okay, you just square it. So, for example, if this is x squared plus say 100x, okay, so the third term must be, okay, one half of 100 is 50. Okay, it is 50. Then you just have to square that one. Okay, and this is just equal to x plus 50 squared. In short, in general, x squared, plus say, okay, I'll use other color to generalize the statement here. X squared plus bx. So the third term must be 1 half of b, or b over 2. Okay, and then you just square that one. So that this will be equal to, you only need this three uh, items here, the x, the plus, and this one. Okay, so that can be equated to just x plus b over 2 squared. Okay, if it is minus, x squared minus bx plus the same thing, this is b over 2 squared here. Okay, so this is equal to, again, you need the three items only. So we have x, the sign, and the b plus the b over 2. Okay, so this is just x minus b over 2 squared. Okay, so if you are going to example, let's have an example here. if you're going to say perfect this one, x squared plus um, 8x, 8x, so it must be 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, 8, or you can just simply write 8 over 2 squared. Okay, which can just be written as x plus 8 over 2 is 4, so 4 squared. Okay, let's have another example. If this is x squared minus, say, 16x, so plus, this must be 16 over 2, and then you square that one, so this will be x minus 16 over 2 is 8, so 8 squared. I still have space. Let's have another example. X squared minus, say, 20, 20x. So it must be plus 20 divided by 2, then squared, which is equal to x. Okay, we only need this three items, this, and this. Minus, what is 20 over 2 is 10. Oh, sorry. Minus 10 squared. Okay. Um, Last example, x squared plus 24x, okay, plus, okay, the third term is 24 divided by 2. 24 divided by 2, and then you square it, okay. So this is x. We only need this 3x plus, and then the value of this, if that can still be simplified, you simplify. So this is x plus 12 squared. Okay, I'll give more. I'll give example in our next video. Let's solve quadratic equations by completing the squares in our next video. Thank you.